Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to log in to your Gmail account. Whether you're on your phone or computer, accessing your emails is a breeze with these simple steps. Let's get started. First, let's talk about logging in via the Gmail app, which is super convenient for staying connected on the go. 1. Open the Gmail app. Start by locating the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. It's the one with the red and white envelope icon. Tap it to open. 2. Sign in with your email address. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is the address you created when you signed up for Gmail, usually in the format of username@gmail.com. Type it carefully to avoid any typos. 3. Add your password. Next up is your password. This is case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock isn't on. Enter the password you chose when you set up your Gmail account. If you're having trouble remembering it, most devices offer a Show Password option, usually an eye icon, so you can double-check what you're typing. Click Sign In. After entering your email and password, simply tap the Sign In button. Give it a moment to connect, and just like that, you're in. Now, let's go over accessing Gmail from a computer. The process is also really straightforward. 1. To start, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. 2. In the address bar, type in gmail.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Gmail login page. 3. You'll be asked to enter your email address. As before, type in your Gmail address carefully. 4. Then, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, it's case sensitive, so type it accurately. 5. Finally, click the Sign In button, and you'll be directed to your Gmail inbox. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're using the app on your phone or logging in from a computer, accessing your Gmail is quick and easy. A couple of extra tips. Always make sure you're on a secure network when logging in, especially on public Wi-Fi. And don't share your password with anyone. If you ever forget your password, Gmail has a password recovery process to help you get back into your account. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.